I really love the quality of this chair. The material was sturdy, soft and vibrant. I attempted to hang it while camping. Unfortunately I could not get the straps high enough up in the tree, so I will need to hang it once I'm home again. The seat is huge, plenty of room to stretch out and relax. Living on a lake in South Florida exposes any outdoor product to extreme weather conditions. This has to be the absolute best hammock product I've ever had. It's extremely comfortable, durable, and sturdy for this hot unrelenting South Florida temperatures. The quality and design is just spectacular. I need to get more so my family stops fighting about who gets to sit in it. I absolutely love this swing/chair. I can completely recline and sway back and forth under my tree in this. Very comfortable and has held up very well in the first year. This was perfect for our sunroom. The quality is excellent and we love the size. Definitely would buy again. This hammock chair is huge and comfy. It's made very well and we think it will hold up a long time. We are so happy with this purchase. Love this hammock chair. Fabric is a little rough but is expected for outdoor use. Kids and wife fight over who gets to use this amazing chair next. It is the focal point of our new backyard area and neighbors have all asked about it. I was looking for a cozy place to read books with my toddler in the afternoon sun and that would make our front porch more inviting. This is that chair. My toddler loves being in it with me and both my husband and I find it very comfortable. As others have noted, everyone wants to be in the chair. The color is fantastic. The fabric is slightly rough but seems very durable. We've only had it a week but it seems to be sturdy, though I cannot attest to that in the long term. My husband purchased and installed the hardware we use to affix it to the ceiling. I was debating between the two sizes and ultimately happy we went with this smaller size as to not overwhelm the space. I measured out the 3 versus 5 crossbar before purchasing. This one is just big enough. Love it. Exactly what I was looking for. Click link in description for more reviews.